In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a curved line in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a more polished, flowing look to your design, using a curved line is a simple way to do it. Curved lines are great for connecting elements, guiding the viewer's eye, or adding a more dynamic style than a basic straight line. The good news is that Canva makes this very easy once you know where to click. To get started, go to the Elements tab on the left side of the Canva editor. In the search bar, type in Line to find line elements you can add to your design. If you want a faster shortcut, you can also press the L key on your keyboard, which will instantly place a straight line onto your canvas. This is a quick and convenient option, especially if you already know exactly what you need. Once the line appears on your design, click directly on it. This will open the white formatting toolbar at the top of the editor. That toolbar gives you access to the settings for your selected line, so if you don't see the options right away, make sure the line itself is highlighted first. Next, look for the line type icon in that top toolbar. This icon usually shows a small sample line, and it's the setting that lets you change the structure of the line you're working with. Click on it to open the available options. From the drop-down menu, you'll see different line styles, including straight, elbowed, and curved. Choose curved. As soon as you do that, your line will switch from a straight path to a bendable curved line. Now that the line is curved, click and hold the center dot, sometimes called the control point, and drag it to shape the curve. You can pull it outward for a broader arc or inward for a tighter bend, depending on the look you want. This is the part where you can fine-tune the line so it fits your layout more naturally. Take your time adjusting it until it looks right in your design. Small movements can make a big difference, so subtle changes often work best, and that's it. Once you know where to find the line type setting and how to use the control point, creating curved lines in Canva becomes quick and easy, and it can instantly make your designs feel more custom and professional.